A nine post is the thing that kind of makes someone stop for a second, because if they click on the account and it's zero posts or it's only three, the first thing that they'll want to do is scroll. But if they see nine already, it's already filling up the whole screen, so they don't want to scroll. Now,
Right.
we live in a world now that we just want like instant things. Like if I get on somebody's account, I want to know within like the first 5 seconds
What they
are they
do.
about. Exactly. What they
Right.
do, what are they about? Is it for me? And what's in it for me right there.
You're listening to the Full-Time Lash Artist Podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch Cosme's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.
During the trainings, when you come in person, you usually explain something very interesting to my students, which I will love you if you will share this here too.
I hope you will.
I love you if you share this here too, because I have a lot of students, a lot of people, a lot of actual people that they want to become lash artists, and I feel like it will be very helpful for them as well. So you mentioned something about the 9 posts on Instagram, or 6 posts. How many?
No, it's actually 9.
9. Can you share that?
Yeah, so the whole point with having 9 posts is the fact that when you are going on somebody's Instagram profile, without having to scroll down, the first thing that you'll see is somebody's profile photo, you'll see their bio, and typically, unless you are on the Reels section, because Reels are much taller because they're vertical, but the 9 square posts are the first thing that people will see when they land on your account. So that's why I'm kind of pushing the narrative. Yeah, pushing the narrative of having 9 posts. And what's even more important, it's what to have in the 9 posts, right? And then, of course, from there, we can go even deeper into pin post and other things like that. But the 9 post is the first thing that someone will see when they land on your account, right? So, of course, number one is making sure that your profile photo is optimized. Ideally, and I tell this to your students as well, make sure instead of having just a logo or the name of your business, the salon or whatever, have a picture with their face, because people connect with other people. They don't just connect with logos and brands and things like that. It's so much easier to connect with another person if you see their face, right? Then it's the name. Now, some people decide, hey, I want to have the company name in the bio. That's totally fine. Instead of having the personal name, like in your case, right? Like your lash artist, your lash trainer account has your personal name attached to it. Now the username is Lash Trainer Pro, but the name of the Lash Trainer account has your personal name. Why? Because that's attached to your personality. It's attached to what you do. The salon itself, it's Limit Lashes is the name of the brand, right? Now I don't want to complicate things too much, and I don't want people to create from the beginning, 3 different accounts. And we've had this conversation with someone that already had a personal account on Instagram, and she said, what do I do? Do I just change that into my business account? And I said, well, at first, depending what's the end goal, and it's hard to know from the beginning if this is going to become a lifetime type of business, or if it's just something that they treat it as a side hustle, right? The easiest way at first is to start a brand new account, to treat it specifically for business, even if it's a lash artist at first, right? So even if they decide it's a lash artist account, even if they decide, hey, I want to become a lash trainer in the future, my advice would be have the username to contain the word lash or lashes or eyelashes or things like that, and then in the name of the account should have their personal name. Why? For the same reason. People connect with other people. They don't connect necessarily with businesses. I mean, it's such an easy type of connection when you see somebody's face and you see their name. Like, it's instant connection. You're like, oh, this person is the lash artist, right?
Yeah.
So it's very different. Now, the reason that I made that comment is before we talking about the post themselves, it's important to have their bio optimized. What is the IG bio? It's pretty much a mini sales page. A lot of people don't pay attention to it, but again, the first thing that people see it's the profile photo, and then the second thing is the bio. So in order for someone even wanting to watch what you post, they see your face and now they read about you. And if you lose them with exactly what you said in the bio, if you lose them, they're not even going to read the 9 posts, right? But the 9 post is the thing that kind of makes someone stop for a second, because if they click on the account and it's 0 posts or it's only 3, the first thing that they'll want to do is scroll. But if they see 9 already, it's already filling up the whole screen, so they don't want to scroll. Now, we live in a world now that we just want like instant things. Like if I get on somebody's account, I want to know within like the first 5 seconds
what they do.
About. Exactly, what they do, what are they about, is it for me, and what's in it for me right there. And then if not, I'm bouncing and going to the next person, right?
Now let me interrupt you for a second.
Yeah.
It is, what do you think? Because I know we were talking about this on my business account. Do you have to post like those professional pictures, like something to actually attract you, to bring your attention, or what do you think? Is this something that matters in those days or not? Because, I took some Instagram courses and some people say it doesn't matter right now. It's all about what you're posting, the content and things that you put on the table for people. What do you think?
So it's a great question. The answer to that is, it's not necessarily if it matters or not. The most important thing nowadays, and you know this, it's consistency. So can you be consistent with those professional photos? Because what's the point of having, let's say, a professional, right? People come to your trainings and you take, 10, 20, 30 professional photos. It's great to use those to get the account going, right? And then what happens is, especially with Instagram, it's a platform. It's not like YouTube. Like people will not go and see what you posted a year ago. It's never going to happen. Right. So again, we have to also think about what's the level of the person's Instagram account at this moment in time when the question is asked. Is it important? Well, can you be consistent with that level of professionalism of photos? Because if you only have 6 or 10 of them, or maybe you take, because again, you can do this in like batch. I'm a big fan, especially with reels and podcasts and videos, batch produce. What does that mean? Create at least 10, 20, 30, like if you are paying a professional photographer to take professional photos of you, you better get at least 30, 40, 50 photos so you can have it for the next couple,
I was just about to say,
for the next couple weeks, right? Because again, you have to post not just photos. At the end of the day, Instagram, it's 2023, it's not a photo app anymore.
Right.
It used to be in 2013, 14.
20.
Yeah. Oh no, forget about it. It's been a video app like for the last 2 years. So a trick that you can use is, let's say you only have 30 professional photos. Use some of them in combination with text for Reels covers.
Right.
So you have to kind of play with them. There's no necessarily right or wrong answer to this, because again, you post some Reels, and then if you don't have a professional cover, you just gotta not post it to the main account, to the feed. You only gotta leave it in the Reels, right? At the end of the day, I've seen accounts with super professional photos on the feed, no Reels in the feed, but then if you click the button, you have the sections like the
and
feed,
you click the Reel.
Yeah, you click the Reel section, and now they have a totally different content strategy just in the Reels.
Yeah.
But
so it's different, the Reel, when you press the Reel and when you press the feed. Could be different.
So when you
right?
That's a good question. When you post the Reel, Instagram asks you, and actually depending on what's the account settings, it actually asks you, do you want to share this Reel to your main feed?
Oh yes, you're right.
Because again, Reels are those vertical sections. It's still 3 on 3 in each section, but it's vertical. It's so much bigger. The actual feed, it's square. Each post is square. That's why you can fit. So if I'm looking at somebody's account on the regular feed, I can see 9 posts. But if I click on the reel, and some people don't even notice this, click on the reel, I can only see 3 because the length of the reel cover is so much bigger. Now, going back to 9 posts, that's the reason why you want 9 posts, because if somebody decides to not want to scroll, you want to make sure you have enough content in those 9 posts. Now, again, we should not overthink this because I know some students of yours are really at the beginning. They've never used Instagram for business before. They were just posting random photos of themselves in a lifestyle personal account, which is not bad, but it's random. In this case, from a business standpoint, consistency is better. So to answer back to your question, does it matter if it's professional? Well, can you be consistent with that professionalism? Because if you
do
cannot,
them all the time.
Yeah, because if not, imagine how not weird, but it won't look.
The feed is going to look different.
The feed will look random. It will be very, like kind of pushed in all different. So like if you have 3 professional photos, but then now you have 3 reels with no cover on the reel.
Right.
It doesn't look professional, right?
Right?
Aesthetics. And you guys being in the beauty industry, you have to pay a little bit. I'm not saying that it's not one of those things like, oh, if you don't do this, or if you do this, you won't get customers anymore.
Yeah.
It's not going to happen, but you want to make it look for you to also like I remember when we were looking at your account.
How many times I changed my feed? Like first I wanted to look more like in the dark side because everything that I do in the salon is dark.
Yeah.
The wall, the products are dark and gold. So I said, I want to try to do something to kind of match all my logo in my business. And then I switch again and then back again, remember? But now I'm finally where I really love
because then
my feed.
You had the text that now you use the same color on the cover, on the reels covers. And what's nice actually, if you post reels or if you have your account mainly made out of reels, you can always change the covers.
The cover, yes.
If it's a photo, well, you're not going to be able to change the photo. You're going to have to delete it from the feed because there's no photo feed. The photo posts are within the feed. So it's part of it. You're not going to be able to, right?
And that's actually something that I just recently did, like a couple of weeks, a month, 2 months ago. Remember?
With the reels?
With my reels. I said, I want to change everything, all the covers. And then I took those professional pictures and then I have exactly the same color to match all the profile. And then I changed probably like 50 pictures, remember?
Yeah, in case people are wondering what apps do you use.
I was just about to say, yeah.
Yeah, because I remember when I first showed you, because you were asking for my account. And again, me being in the marketing/business feed, in my opinion, it's not as important as it is in yours.
For me, it is the most important,
But the apps that I was using were InShot. Mainly because you can create a template, save it as a draft, and
you
every
just
time
replace the picture.
Yeah.
If you got a passion for lashes, let me see it. It's time to level up. If you need me to, I'll teach you my 6-figure secret. Better believe it, 'cause I believe in you. You're listening to the Full-Time Lash Artist Podcast. If you want to jumpstart your lash career, you can also watch Cosme's free lash training at www.fulltimelashartist.com. Let's grow.